Hello, darling.
Hello.
Hello, darling. Welcome to Fantasy Island.
Hi.
This is Dolly Be Stuck.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I am very human,
Yeah.
but I have a robot butthole.
Lucky.
That is where the guys with the straws came and sucked at my soul.
Yeah.
They sucked it out and spit it in a cup.
Lucky.
That is what they did. Yup, 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 yup,
Yeah.
yup. I am a robot,
Yeah.
but I have a human brain.
Lucky.
I'm a human. I'm a human again.
So lucky.
I know at first I said that
Yeah.
I am a robot.
Oh, yeah.
Is that what I said? As
Yeah.
long as I have a human plot,
Lucky.
it stays fat.
Lucky.
It keeps getting fatter.
Yeah.
Let's talk about shit. Let's talk about shit. Let's talk about shit that don't matter. Whoa,
Yeah.
whoa,
Yeah.
whoa,
Yeah. Yeah.
whoa.
Lucky.
I am a robot and I have a human. I am a robot and I have a human.
Lucky.
I am a human and I have a robot.
Yeah.
Does anybody know what we really are?
No.
Probably not. Probably not.
Yeah.
Probably not. Not. Probably not.
Yeah.
I am me and you are you.
Lucky.
Let's do what the fuck humans and robots do.
Yeah. Lucky.
I have what I have.
Yeah.
I have what I have.
Yeah, yeah.
I have what I have.
Yeah.
And I have what I have. And I have.
Yeah.
And I have.
Yeah.
And I am. And I am. Fuck you, bitch.
Lucky, bitch.
Fuck you, bitch.
Lucky, lucky.
Fuck you, bitch.
Suck it, suck it.
Just fuck you, bitch.
DBS.
Dolly Be Stuck.
Yeah.
And I'm motherfucking out.
Yeah.
And I'm motherfucking out.
Lucky.
That's what I am.
Bitch.